up, YouTube? Tonight is kind of a haphazard update because I have been sick, so I haven't really been able to work in the garage like I had intended. So boo-hoo for me, and I'm apologizing to myself for not uploading yesterday because I just couldn't get out of bed. Anyway, here's where I'm at. As I was thinking about it, I decided I should probably check each of the chargers individually to make sure that they are charging as expected. That way I don't get the whole pan all assembled and then discover that it's not working like I want it to. So here's where I'm at. Tonight, this is the lucky contestant, and what I did is, this is the plug right here that would normally be plugged into the onboard charger at the bottom of the bike. I already had it ran up here previously because my onboard charger died a long time ago, so that saved me some work because like I said, this was already ran up. So what I did is I just kind of snaked it through here under this little cross beam because I intend to have most of my connections in the area that the storage tank was normally located. So this appears to be charging fine. I mentioned in one of my previous videos that my cluster has stopped displaying, but luckily we can still see the charge light. Ignore that. That's just the kickstand warning light. That's only flashing because the bike is technically on, because I want to connect to Bluetooth, and the bike has to be on for you to connect to Bluetooth. So hopefully the glare is okay there. I just wanted to show that I am charging roughly about 1.3, 1.4. So that looks all good. That's the base expectation. I don't know if you guys can see that. I apologize. But yeah, so Bluetooth is connecting so that I can read it through the app, because I haven't quite figured out connecting the 2.5 control board version 2.5 from DigiNow, connecting it to the Bluetooth app. So that'll be in one of the next videos. I just haven't taken the time because, like I said, I've been in bed. So 2.5 box is out here and not on the bike because a little birdie told me that these probably want to be isolated from any grounding on the bike. We'll get to that in a later discussion. I am plugged into my wall outlet right there on the orange cord. I got this pretty sweet LEAT adapter, so I can charge with 110 when necessary, just because I don't have a wall charger at home yet. But so yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm just going to start charging each night with a different charger to make sure that it is operating as expected, work out all the bugs before I start assembling everything. But like I said, this update was kind of a haphazard one because I have been stuck in bed. So I wanted to get something on tape, upload it, let you guys know that I'm trying to be productive, and we will move forward with the assembly of the Bellypan and the installation onto the bike, etc., in stages. So yeah, I think I'm going to ride the bike to work tomorrow, which goes slightly against what I said in the previous video where I was going to ride it when I had nowhere important to go. But heck, YOLO, right? Anyway, so wish me well on that. Hopefully I get to work in one piece along with the bike, and we'll go from there, guys. Oh, I wanted to show you one cool thing about the V2.5 also. Let's go ahead and turn the bike off. Alright, so we still have the charge light, right? The fan is still going. But let's do this. Let's unplug the bike. That's a reach. Alright. So you just heard the contactor click off. Fan is off. No charging light. Here's the cool thing about V2.5, guys. Plug the bike in. And we're going to listen. Contactor engages. Then we get charge light. And in about a minute or so the fan will kick on. It's a little bit longer than the V2. I think it's because it's just running through its paces. But the key no longer needs to be turned on, which is a huge improvement from V.2 to 2.5. So that is sick nasty. It's pretty exciting stuff. Fan will kick on here any minute. Like I said, it does take a little bit longer. I think it's on purpose so that you can kind of tailor in the app anything you need to before it starts to do its thing. But you can see now the fan is on. So yeah, that'll be it for tonight. Maybe tomorrow we'll shoot a little bit of footage of the second contestant up for charging purposes, and we'll go from there, guys. So take it easy and have a good one. Peace out.